Ready for step 2 of our learning styles activity. If you're watching this video, hopefully you have checked out our learning styles virtual classroom. That looks like this. You've watched the video about the VARK learning styles, and you've taken one of these 2 quizzes to learn a little bit about your learning style, and you've completed the reflection Google form and you've submitted that. If you've done that, you're ready for step 2, which is pretty exciting. So if we look at our list here, step 2 says to create a word cloud. Ms. Fox and I have created a resource for you that walks you through this one step at a time. We're going to make it really easy and it's going to be kind of fun. So we have some really simple directions here. So first, we're going to make a list of words and phrases that represent our learning style that we were given on based on the quiz. You can do that on a document, you can do it on a sticky note, you can do it on a piece of paper. So what words and phrases describe how you learn best? So I might say words like group, projects, conversation. I'm someone that learns best when I can talk to somebody about it. Visuals, videos, pictures, those kinds of things, right? So I'm going to make and I need to have at least 6 words. It would be awesome if you could have more. The more words you have, the more visual your word cloud is. But we want at least, like, bare minimum is 6, okay? So then we're going to suggest that you use Google Slide, just a Google Slide, but there are websites that are word cloud generators that you can use if you want to. So feel free to, if you're someone who's more familiar with Wordle.net, I think is one. Word Cloud has one. There's a whole bunch. And you're going to create a word cloud with your list of words. So let me show you. Ms. Fox and I actually have an example here for you. So this is an example word cloud. So you can see that it's just like a graffiti wall of all these different words that connect with a learning style. And what's really important to see here, what I love about the word cloud, is that the words that are more important are larger. So for this word cloud, notice that the word is larger, verbal is larger, speech. This is more important than like this word over here that says language, or this word down here that says essay. So I'm learning, I can look at this and I can see, well, based on this word cloud, this person needs to have some conversation, and they learn best. They don't learn as best by like lecture, like listening to someone talk or writing an essay. They do better by talking it out with somebody else. So the point of this is to have a visual. So if another teacher or a friend or a group member were to look at your word cloud, they could learn a little bit about who you are as a learner and what works best for you. So we've included a space here for you to create your word cloud. Now, if you're going to use Google Slides and you want to make it fancy, I'm your girl. I can show you. So you're going to go here to Insert, and you can go to where it says Word Art, and it'll automatically put in a box there. So I can put in, like, let's say, talking in this box here, and it's automatically going to create a box here. And then I can then take this and I can play with the color. If I come over here to this little paint can, you can pick a color and it will change the color for you. If you want to get fancy, you can go to gradient, and it will, like, I can pick one here and see how then it makes it funky. You can go to custom and you can change it around, right? I can put the pink, and then I can have this other color be orange, for example, and see, and I can change how it looks. Okay, I can change the font because that's pretty important to me in my life. So I can change what the font looks like, right? And then I can make another, one, and I might say project. Right, so then there's another one, and maybe I want to make this one a little bit smaller, right? So I have to decide, well, which of my words, which is more important, right? So then I can make this maybe a different font, and I can change the color of this one too, right? So you can see what I'm saying. You can get creative with it. And I can come here, and I really love teal. This is my favorite color, and I love when it's paired with navy, right? So like this. So that's what we're looking for. So when your word cloud is done, you should have at least 6 words, and the words that are most important to you as a learner, we want to be larger, like mine here. Okay, so you're going to go be creative, have fun with this. That's step 2, and then when you're done with that, come back and I'll show you what we're going to do for step 3. Have fun.